Hi class, my name is Fernando Chavez. Today I'll be talking about investigation number 10, flooding. So what I'll be talking about is some historical flooding, the hydrocyclical cycle, and then how we can prevent some flooding incidents from happening, or how to catch on to some flooding incidents that will happen. So for the historical flooding, I'll be talking about the floodings of Albuquerque, New Mexico. This happened in majority of the Southwest states, so we are talking about Arizona, California, New Mexico, and a little bit of Nevada. But right now, I'll be talking about Albuquerque, New Mexico, because this is what it affected more of. So, New Mexico residents were keeping an eye of rivers and dams, and since they had a weekend of rain that happened, and it kept happening until about Thursday from the day it happened, which was around the 15th, 16th of 2013 in September. So it happened for 4 days continuously almost, and some areas of New Mexico had to be shut down because it received 10 inches of rains, and so this kind of caused some locations to be overrun of with water, similar to what we're seeing right here in this photo. So I'll be talking about the hydrological cycle. It's very basic. This is how we know what water works as. So right now we start off as any surface flow, or if any water evaporates, and then we get clouds and precipitation on ocean. So it's a non-stop cycle kind of right here, going back and forth. But it can go over land and start having precipitation on land, and then we get water on land, and it'll sooner or later start to flow back into the ocean. And so, for preventative measures for future floodings, is we got to know if we're in an area that is prone to river floodings, storm surges. Be aware if we should have evacuation plans in case this kind of happens, if it rises quickly and all that, and be prepared to evacuate immediately if local officials advise and move inland before any flooding begins.